Ma'am, shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it is recording.
Okay. So, good morning, students. In our previous class, we saw the introduction about the Karnaugh map. Now, we are going to do some problems using the Karnaugh map, that is K-map.
This is called online class. The part video online.
Okay, can anyone say what problem we have solved in the previous class?
K-map.
K-map,
Pairing,
ma'am.
ma'am. Pairing.
Okay. Tell me the problem. F of AB equal to
M0.
summation M of 0,
1, 3.
1, 3, ma'am.
3. Okay. Have you all understood this problem? Or I want to tell again? Whether I want to remind again?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we solve the problem by using the variable directly in the table. In case if we use a binary value instead of a variable, means how can we solve it? But at last we want the equation is in variable. Okay. The same thing. How many box came up we want to use here?
4, ma'am.
4, ma'am.
So we want to use 4 box K-map. So this is A and this is B. So instead of using A dash and A, I'm going to use the binary value 0 and 1. Here also the same. 0, 1, 2 and 3. Just I'm going to substitute the min terms and 3. The pairing also same. Only thing is how we write the equation by in terms of the binary values. Okay. So now say like the same as we saw with your variables. What is the equation while pairing? What is the value while pairing 0 and 1? Can anyone say what is the equation while pairing 0 and 1? You will get, students, can you able to hear me?
A dash, B dash,
A dash. Actually it is of 0, right? So 0 means in terms of A, the 0 value, the variable is represented by A dash. Okay. So you want to know, to solve the problem in terms of using binary values, meanwhile by using the variable also. Okay. Plus, while pairing this 1 and 3, okay, the common term is 1. Here 0 is changed as 1. So it get 0 is changed as 1. So this to get cancelled. The common value is 1. So while applying to this variable, we will get value as B. Okay. Clear? Anybody is having doubt? Students, anybody is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In case the question is like the same, f of AB is equal to pi m. And I want to say one thing. So before going this, the min terms are represented by summation m. Okay. Max terms are represented by 5m. Okay, on the whole, if they will give the min terms or max terms, we want to find with these conditions. Okay, min terms are represented by summation of m, max terms are represented by 5m. Clear? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem by using max terms. In case the question is like f is equal to 5m of the same problem 0, 1 and 3. 0, 1 and 3. Okay. What you will do is, okay, here see that they have not mentioned the variable, just they have given us function is equal to summation, sorry, pi m of 0, 1 and 3. So for this condition, we can use the variable as we can. Okay. So I can use a, b or else x, y, anything else. Okay. Now the same. How many box came up I want to use here?
Four.
4 box came up. Okay. So, if in min terms, A is represented by A bar, in max term it is represented as
A, ma'am.
A. So, we want to shuffle it. A bar, B bar. 0, 1, 2 and 3. The pairing will be the same. The only thing is, the only change is, we want to write the equation according to the max term. So then I will get the equation for pairing 0 and 1 means I will get A. While pairing 1 and 3, I will get
B bar.
B bar, ma'am.
B bar. Okay. The equation I have written is right.
Dot should come.
Right. Here, dot A dot B bar. Clear? Students got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll go first. We will see the min terms and then we will apply for max terms. Okay. So next we will see the 3 variable equation f of x, y, z is equal to summation m of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So according to the given variable, it is 3. If we apply the variable 3 in the equation 2 pi n, I will get the answer as 8. So I want to use 8 box K-map. So here A bar, A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. So here I want to tell you one thing. So while we go for 2 variable combination, we always write as B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B bar, B, C bar and B, C. Am I right? But while applying in K-map, we will go with BC and BB. BC and BC bar. Okay. This is why, because one bit change will be acceptable in K-map. So why we are going like this. Clear? So I'm saying once again. So for example, B bar, C bar, B bar, C. So here B bar is constant here, but C bar is changed as C. So it is of 1 bit change. Next, if I go for BC bar means B bar is changed as B here, C is changed as C bar here. So 2-bit change occurred while I write BC bar next to B bar C. So 2-bit change is not acceptable in K-map. So it belongs to gray code condition. So it goes with BC and BC bar. So now check with these two conditions. B bar is changed as B here. C is constant. Next, if I go with the next value, B is not having any change. C is changed as C bar. So 1-bit change. So why? Sorry. So why we are writing B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC and BC bar. Clear? Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So you want to be in conscious. Don't write as it is 0, 1, 2, 3. So you want to write as 0, 1, here 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So now apply the minterms are 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I am going to pair it. So I want to see whether I can pair all the 4 ones as it is. Whether I can pair all the 4 ones?
No, ma'am.
Students say, okay. So next to it, 2 pair. Whether I can pair 2 values?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to pair 2, 1, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, from this I'm going to write the equation. First, I'm going to write equation for the pairing 2 and 3. So I'm going to write the equation for this pair 2 and 3. So what will be the equation you will get? So when we go for A bar, whether there is a change in the variable A, so it will be constant for the 2 values, that is A bar. So I'm going to keep as it is. Okay, then I'm going to see in column wise. First, you will check the B variable, whether there is any change in the variable B.
No.
So I'm going to write it. Okay, next, see the variable C. You are having change. So C is changed as C bar here. So it gets cancelled. No need to write it. Next, I'm going to write the equation for the pairing 4 and 5. Okay. Now say the equation.
A.
B bar, ma'am.
B bar. So this
B
is
bar.
the equation for the given minterm. Clear? Students, whether you are having any doubt? Okay. Shall we apply the same terms in case of max term? Okay. The problem is like f of f of x, y, z is equal to pi m of 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did a mistake there. I have used the variable x, y, z in the question, but I have used the variable a, b, c, while solving the problem. Okay, sorry for it, and you won't do it. Okay. Here x, x bar. Here what you will write? Here what you will write?
Y bar. Y z.
Y
Z, ma'am.
plus z. Product is converted to sum here while we go for max terms. Am I right? So, see here, if you go x bar, y bar, x bar, y, sorry. Y bar, z bar, y bar, z, y, z, y, z bar. So, in terms of min terms. So, in terms of max terms, you can written as y plus z. Bar is converted to the normal term. Product term is converted to sum in max term. Next, y plus z bar. Here what will come?
Y bar
Y bar
Y
plus
bar
Z bar.
plus Z bar. Here, Y?
Y bar plus
Y
Z.
bar plus Z.
Okay. Can we apply? Y plus Z. Next to it, enna varum?
Y plus Z bar, ma'am.
Y plus Z bar. Here, Y bar
Y bar plus Z bar.
Z bar. Here, Y bar
Y bar plus Z.
Z. So the terms inside the K-maps will be the same. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What are all the max terms? 2, 3, 4 and 5.
2, 3, 4.
Pairing also will be the same. Now we want to write the equation. What it will be like? For this, how the equation will come?
X
plus Y bar.
Y dash
X plus. So it should be in
Y
order.
bar.
You can't shuffle the variables. Okay. Now tell me. X plus
Y bar, ma'am.
Y dash
Y dash dot. For the second pairing,
Y dash plus X.
X dash
X dash plus Y.
X dash plus
Y.
Y. So, got it? F is equal to the equation, the simplified equation is X plus Y dash plus X dash plus Y. Can you able to follow? Students, can you able to follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we go for the next problem? Okay, the equation is F is equal to summation M of 1, 3, 6, 7. So this is the equation. I'm going to solve. How many? Okay. Here, in this question, they have not mentioned any variable. Okay. And from that, we can't able to whether it is of 2 variable or 3 variable K-map. For that, we want to see the min terms. Okay. If it is a 2 variable K-map means the min terms should be 3 or below 3. Clear? Up to 3 or below 3. Clear? If it is of 3 variable combination K-map, it should be the min terms or max term should be 7 up to 7 or below 7. 7 or below 7. Okay. So when we go for 4 variable K-map, it should be 0 to 15. ஓகே மேம் இதுல நீங்க 7 வர கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க. அப்போ 4 வேரியபிள் கே மேப்லயும் உங்களுக்கு 7 இன்க்ளூட் ஆகும்ல. அப்போனா நான் வந்து 4 வேரியபிள் கே மேப் போடலாமா அப்படின்னா போடக்கூடாது. பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் அப் டு 7 வரை தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்படின்றப்போ we want to use only 3 variable k map. So I'm going to use a 3 variable k map to solve this equation. So they have not mentioned any variable. You can use as like you. Okay va? Ipo nee abc nu use pannalam illadi xyz nu use pannalam. Now I am going to use abc. So a bar a, b bar c bar, b bar c, bc and bc bar. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now I'm going to apply the main terms 1 3 6 7. Can you pair it? Now tell me how we can pair. Whether I go for 4 quad pairing. Quad means 4. Quad pairing. Students, tell me whether I can go for quad pairing.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, how can I pair it? Whether I can pair the 2 min terms.
2, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
are
ma'am.
they? What are they?
1 3
1 and 3.
3,
1
7,
and
7.
6.
7 and 6. Whether I can pair one more thing?
3 and 7, ma'am.
3 and 7, ma'am.
3 and 7.
3 and 7. Okay. Before solving the problem, I gave a note that if there is a possibility of pairing already paired values, okay, it will result that in addition of a term in a simplified equation. Clear? Okay, let me explain. Okay, you have said that you are going to pair 3 and 7, right? Okay, let me see. Okay, tell me the equation for pairing 1 and 3.
A dash C, ma'am.
A dash C plus pairing 7 and 6.
A,
A
D, D.
D. D. In case if you pair 3 and 7 means what will be the equation? BC. Am I right?
BC, ma'am.
Okay, here B is already paired with one value, C is already paired with one value. Okay, if you pair already paired values means you will get a term. If you will get the extra term. So the condition for going K-map is the thing why we are going for K-map is to get the very simplified equation. Okay, so this while pairing the already paired values means you will get an extra term and the number of terms and number of variables get increased. So this is not the condition of K-map. Clear? Students, got it? நான் இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்றேன். என்னன்னா இப்போ நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி பேர் பண்ண வேல்யூஸ பேர் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா, that is the example. If you pairing 3 and 7 means 7 is already paired with some other min terms. 3 is already paired with some other min terms. அப்போ எனக்கு even though there is a chance of pairing already paired values அப்படினாலுமே நீ பேர் பண்ணனா உனக்கு simplified equation கூட extra term add ஆகும். extra term add ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா it is not a simplified equation. இதுக்கு நம்ம வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம்? just manual calculation, boolean expressions வச்சு boolean theorems and postulates வச்சே நம்ம வந்து simplify பண்ணிரலாம். so அதுல வந்து எனக்கு கரெக்டான simplified output கிடைக்கல அப்படின்றதுனால தான் நம்ம எங்க போறோம்? K-map. so K-mapல already pair. in case I'm having one here. Okay, இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா இத நான் பேர் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா individual pair பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா இந்த கண்டிஷன்ல you can pair this unpaired value with a paired value if you have a chance. Okay, இந்த கண்டிஷன்ல நீ என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இப்போ நான் இதை சிங்கிளா இண்டிவிஜுவலா நான் பேர் பண்றேன் அப்படின்னா I will get the equation as a bar b bar c bar. Okay, so இதே இது ஆல்ரெடி இந்த மின்டர்ம் இந்த 1 வந்து பேர் ஆயிருந்தாலும் இப்போ இந்த கண்டிஷன் இந்த ஜீரோல இருக்கிற மின்டர்ம்காக நான் இத பேர் பண்ணேன்னா I will get the equation for 0 and 1 pairing is a bar b bar. So இப்போ எனக்கு simplified equation கிடைச்சிருக்கு. Okay, so அதனால நான் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? So for this situation I can pair the already paired value with an unpaired value. Got it? புரியுதாமா? ஒரு unpaired value ஒரு வேல்யூவை நீ pair பண்ண போற, அத large number of pairing conditionக்கு நான் கொண்டு போகிறதுக்காக already pair ஆன minterm நான் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் to make it simplified. Okay, but if you pair already paired values means you will get an extra term in your simplified equation. Got it? Puridama? Students, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to give a problem. So you people going to solve and tell me the result. The problem is f of a b c is equal to summation m of 1 2 4 7. Okay, how many boxes came up should I use here?
6, ma'am.
6 box.
8.
6 box came up tanama neenga sonninga. So we want to use 8 box came up, BC and BC bar 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. சைடுல நீங்களும் சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க, எனக்கு ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க. 1 2 4 7. Okay, how can I pair this?
Ma'am, diagonal, ma'am. A B bar C and B bar A bar B bar C, ma'am.
Okay. Students, the next note is diagonal pair is not applicable. I've already told this note also. Okay, we can't pair in diagonally. Diagonal நம்ம pair பண்ண முடியாது. Okay. Now tell me how can we pair it? Whether we can pair quad. Okay, what? என்னமா சொன்னீங்க? எனக்கு கேட்கல. Students? Student, can you hear me? It is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Corners can be pairing, no, ma'am.
Corners means, how can you say? You are saying about 2 and 4?
Yes, ma'am.
It is also in diagonal, right? In case, if you are having a minterm in the position of 0 means you can pair 0 and 2. In case if you are having a minterm in 6 means you can pair 4 and 6. Okay? You can't
Okay,
pair
ma'am.
2 and 4. It is also in diagonal. Whether there is a possibility of pairing as quad?
No, ma'am.
Okay. pairing by 2 ones. தப்பா இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்லமா, எல்லாருக்குமே முதலே தெரியணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. No. The only thing is we want to go for individual pairing. So there is so எந்த ஒரு சான்ஸுமே இல்ல. We don't have any chance of pairing 2 ones or quad or octal anything else. So we are going for individual pairing. So we are going for individual pairing. Okay. Now say the equation for the mean term 1.
A dash B dash C.
A dash B dash C. Plus for the mean term 2.
A dash B C
A
dash.
dash B C dash. For mean term 4.
A B dash C dash.
A B dash C dash. For the mean term 7.
A B C.
A B C. I'm going to give a work. Note down this equation, whether you can simplify it manually or not. You want to give the simplified equation for the function A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A B C. Have you noted out? Students, note பண்ணிக்கிட்டீங்களா இந்த equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Note down the mean terms also. You are going to solve the same term in terms of max term. இதே values, that is 1 2 4 7 இருக்கு இல்லையா, இத அப்படியே வந்து மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ல எனக்கு கேமா போட்டு அதோட ஈக்குவேஷனும் எனக்கு சொல்லணும். So you are going to do two things. One is you are going to simplify the equation manually. So whether you can solve it or not. ஓகேவா? பண்ண முடியுமா முடியாதா, அப்படி பண்ணா என்ன ஈக்குவேஷன் வரும் அப்படின்றதையும் சொல்லணும். Second thing is just apply the same values in max terms. Okay. Ma students, screen தெரியுதா? It is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we are going to solve the one more problem. If the equation will be like A bar C plus A bar B plus A B bar C plus BC. So this is the given equation, and the question is like they ask you to simplify the given equation by using K-map. Okay, let me try. You are going to say the equation, you are going to say the answer whether we can get the min term from the given equation and whether we can apply it in K-map. சொல்லுங்கம்மா. ஜஸ்ட் நீங்க என்ன திங்க் பண்றீங்க சொல்லுங்க. இட் இஸ் நாட் அ மேட்டர், கரெக்டா தான் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்றது மேட்டர் கிடையாது. ஜஸ்ட் உங்களுக்கு இதுல இருந்து நீங்க எப்படி K-mapல அப்ளை பண்ணுவீங்க, உங்க தாட்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. கொஞ்சம் சீக்கிரம் ரிப்ளை மீ.
B into B bar first இனிஷியேட் பண்ண முடியும்.
ஓகே. So அதுக்கு தான் என்ன சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, so first we want to see the given equation is in standard form or not. Standard form is in the sense we want to view all the terms in the given equation. So totally we want totally it is of 3 variables has been used in the given equation. The second thing we want to notice that all the 3 variables are present in all the terms. Okay, if it is means just get the min term from the given equation and we can go ahead, or else we want to convert the given equation to a standard equation and then we want to get the min term or max term from the equation and apply it in the K-map. Clear? புரிஞ்சுதாமா நான் சொன்னது?
Yes, ma'am.
நான் இன்னொரு தடவை ரிப்பீட் பண்றேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, we want to view all the variables present in the given equation. அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல டோட்டலா எத்தனை வேரியபிள்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க அப்படின்றத நீ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். சோ டோட்டலா எனக்கு 3 வேரியபிள்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. சோ 3 வேரியபிள்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்றத நான் இந்த கண்டிஷன், நான் இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன், இந்த டேர்ம்ல இருந்து நான் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்றேன். the variable used in this equation is 3. Okay, so after that I want to make this equation to standard form. Okay, standard form ku kondu varanumna what I want to do? So a bar c
B plus B dash.
plus b dash a bar b. What is the missing term here?
C plus C dash.
C plus c dash plus a b bar c plus what is the missing term in the last last what? A plus a bar. Next, that is equal to a bar b bar c plus. I have already told you that you want to write the variable in order. Ma'am, AC குடுத்திருக்காங்க, நான் லாஸ்டா தான் நான் B ஆட் பண்ண போறேன். அப்ப நான் C க்கு அப்புறம் B போடலாம்னா it is not applicable. You want to follow the same. It should be in order. Okay, so and எதுக்காக நான் வந்து it should be in order அப்படின்றதை insist பண்றேன்னா I will tell you in your next condition. A bar B C plus A bar B C bar plus A bar B C plus A B bar C plus A B C plus A bar B C. Okay, so repeated terms get cancelled, right? What are the terms getting repeated?
A bar BC.
A bar BC.
A B bar C.
A B bar C. A B bar C எங்கம்மா இருக்கு? A bar B C A 3 times வருதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
A bar. Okay. வேற எதுவும் இருக்கா?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Shall we rewrite the equation? We are going to rewrite the above equation. So A bar B bar C plus A bar B C plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
இன்னும் ஒன்னு இருக்கே, ABC. ABC. Am I right? Students, எல்லா terms வந்துச்சு இல்லையா? So we are having 5 terms. 5 terms இருக்கு இல்லையா?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to get the mean term from the equation. எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? So we want to apply 0 in complement terms and 1 in normal terms. அப்ப எனக்கு இங்க என்ன வரும்? 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. Clear? புரியுதாமா நான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன்ட்டு?
Yes, ma'am.
Complement terms. So for all the complement terms, I have applied 0. For the normal terms, I have applied 1 in the given equation. So now I am going to say why it should be in order. In case, if I write as A bar C B bar means I will get the value as 0 1 0. அப்ப எனக்கு இங்க என்ன வரும்? What I will get here?
M2, ma'am.
M2, ma'am.
M2. But actual value is?
M1.
M1. So இப்போ புரியுதா நான் எதனால ஆர்டர்ல போகணும்னு சொன்னேன்ட்டு? So this is the only reason the variable should be in order. Okay. So now we are going to get the minterms from the above equation, that is summation m of 1. For this, what you will get the minterm here? 0, 1, 1 means
2, ma'am.
3. 0, 1, 0 means
2, ma'am.
2. 1, 0, 1.
5, ma'am.
5, ma'am.
1, 1, 1.
7.
7, ma'am.
7. So for the given equation, f is equal to the minterms which we identified are 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, what you're supposed to do is you're going to apply this in a K-map and let me know the equation. Am I right? Panalama? So now உனக்கு 3 works கொடுத்திருக்கேன். What are they? You want to simplify the previous problems final equation manually. Second thing is the same minterms has to apply in your max term, and the third work is you want to apply this value in a K-map and let me know the simplified equation, right? புரியுதாம்மா நான் என்னென்ன சொன்னேன்ட்டு? 3 works கொடுத்திருக்கேன். நோட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're having time 3-4 more minutes just இந்த இதுக்கு மட்டும். இப்போ நம்ம லாஸ்டா பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, அத K-map அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு எனக்கு ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க.
Ma'am, B dash C plus BC plus A dash BC dash.
Madam. Just how many box K-map we are going to use? 8 box K-map. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A bar, A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. So first of all, we want to know that whether we can able to pair a large number of pairing. So see whether we can pair a octal. Octal another 8. 8 once we pair பண்ண முடியுமா? We don't have all the 8 as ones. Okay. Next to that is 4 quad pairing. If whether quad pair is possible
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
What are
1,
they?
3, 5, 7.
1, 3, 5, 7. எனக்கு ஆன்சர் சொன்னவங்க நீங்க வந்து தனித்தனியா பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So you got 3 terms. Okay. Next thing is this too. If I pair this minterm, individually means first we want to see that whether I can pair this one with another unpaired value. If it is not possible, you can go for paired value. இப்போ எனக்கு இந்த 1 வந்து இன்னொரு unpaired value கூட pair பண்ண முடியுமான்றத நான் செக் பண்ணனும். பாசிபிள் இல்லாத பட்சத்துல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்னா we want to go with the help of a paired value. So I'm going to pair this 2. Now I'm going to write the equation for the quad pairing. Row wise பார்க்கறப்ப எனக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? A bar and A, so it get cancelled. So column wise, if I see in column wise, என்ன பண்ணனும்? நான் சொல்றேன் பட் எனக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்லி இன்னும் கொடுக்கலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். சோ காலம் வைஸ் பாக்குறப்போ நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இதையும் செக் பண்ணணும், இதையும் செக் பண்ணணும். அப்போ b bar is converted as b here, so it get cancelled. b bar is converted as b here, so b variable is getting cancelled. When we move to the next variable c, it is remaining same, so I'm going to write c alone. Next I'm going to get the equation for the pairing 3 and 2. அப்ப எனக்கு என்ன வரும்? என்னமா வரும்?
A bar.
A bar
B ma'am.
B.
A bar B. Okay, got it? புரியுதா? ஆக்சுவலா நான் வந்து குவாட் பேரிங் சொல்லி கொடுக்கல. இப்போ இது புரியலனாலும் you will see in the next class. Okay, இந்த பேரிங் எப்படின்றது நீ ஒரு தடவை சால்வ் பண்ணி பாரு. அகைன் உனக்கு புரியலனாலும் நான் இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லி கொடுக்குறேன். கிளியர்?
Yes ma'am.
ஓகே. சோ பேரிங் குவாட் பேரிங் பாக்குறப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இந்த ரெண்டு காலமையும் நம்ம செக் பண்ணணும். சோ ரெண்டு காலமோட வேல்யூஸையும் செக் பண்ணணும். b bar c and bc ரெண்டையும் செக் பண்றப்போ b bar is changed as b in the second term, so b is getting cancelled. The remaining term is c, so c வந்து unchanged இருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம c மட்டும் எடுத்திருக்கோம். Okay, clear?
Yes ma'am.
Vanati ma'am, time ஆயிடுச்சு ma'am. Time ஆயிடுச்சா ma'am?
Yes ma'am.
Shall I stop
12:15
here,
ஆயிடுச்சு.
ma'am? Shall I stop here, ma'am? Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Students, up to this, anybody is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so in your next class, you want to say the manual calculation for the previous problem, and also you want to apply the same terms in your max term K-map. Okay?
Thank you ma'am.
Okay, ma. Thank you.